Welcome to a Holistretch video. My name is Frances Eve. Please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Rounding down to the right side and reaching all the way up towards the left. Exhale down, inhale up, creating oxygen in the body, leaning the body over towards the right, looking up towards your left elbow. Nice big breaths. Clearing the ribs, the lungs on the left side, and coming back up, dropping down to the earth, reaching up to the sky. Exhale down, inhale, reaching all the way up. Nice big circles, rounding it out, and coming back to that right side for the second time, reaching over, looking up towards that left elbow, under the left armpit, reach and release. Dropping back down, and we can switch the direction of your circle. Inhale up, exhale down, creating oxygen in your body, rising up to reach and leaning over to the left side, looking over your right. It's the flow process of surrendering and rising up. Inhale, reach. Exhale, surrender back down. One more time, nice big circle. And then we'll lean for the second time towards the left, reaching, opening the right ribs and lungs. Beautiful. We're going to go ahead and cross the left leg over the right, reaching the arms all the way up on the inhale, grabbing onto your left wrist and pulling over to the right. Keeping the legs where they are, we're squatting into a curtsy lunge, reaching all the way back up and dropping the body down into a curtsy lunge. Reach, and one last time, curtsy lunge, squatting down and reaching. Getting blood flow into the hips and into the legs. We'll go ahead and switch sides, right in front of left, reaching all the way up to the sky. And leaning over to the left, coming into your curtsy lunge and dip and up, and two more times, curtsy lunge. Inhale up and reach, and last time, and back up. Beautiful opening. We're going to go ahead and come into a center squat. So a goddess squat or a yogi squat. You want to drop that low back as far down towards the ground as you can and reaching the hands as far forward as possible, dropping the head and neck. And then coming to stand, reaching all the way up to the sky and then dropping back down. That's it. On the inhale, reaching up. Exhale, dropping down, reaching the hands all the way out, dropping the head and neck. Inhale up. Exhale down, dropping down, grounding yourself, grounding the feet. And release. Go ahead and wrap the arms around the knees. That feels good. Or just bring hands to prayer. Keep them in front of you. Breathing, inhale, reaching the hips up and slowly rolling the spine. Go ahead and hang here for a little bit and just take your time coming up, facing your beautiful day with your clear intention. Have a beautiful day and feel free.